In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook tips and insights. Outlook includes a built-in helper called Insights, also known as Viva Insights, that surfaces smart, personal suggestions to help you manage your time, protect your focus, and follow through on commitments. Think of it as a quiet coach that lives inside Outlook, watching for patterns like long days packed with meetings or emails that might need a reply, and then offering timely nudges that only you can see. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mail and calendar so everything is up to date. You'll be working from the main Outlook window, the same place where you usually read email, and switch to your calendar. Next, look along the ribbon at the top of the Outlook window. You should see an icon labeled Insights or Viva Insights. Depending on your version, it may appear as a small light bulb or a heart symbol. It's often on the Home tab of the ribbon, grouped with other add-ins. When you spot it, click it once. That's all you need to do to bring Insights into view. When you click the icon, the Insights panel opens on the right side of your Outlook window. This panel is your personalized dashboard. You'll typically see simple cards with concise guidance, such as reminders about messages you might want to follow up on, or gentle prompts to carve out focus time so you can work without interruptions. You might also notice insights about meeting habits, like how often you have overlapping events or after-hours activity, helping you reflect on how your schedule affects your day. Each card is designed to be brief and clear. Read the short description on the card to understand what it's highlighting and why it matters. These suggestions are rooted